I think I'll do one of those moves where we build up to it and then give a crescendo. What people think should be enough as a context layer is something like a semantic layer with a knowledge graph, and then you just put a RAG over it. But what we have been listening from customers and what we have been listening from the industry at large is that the semantic layer only helps AI understand certain keywords. It's like learning a dictionary. And then as the age-old adage goes, that change is the only constant. These keywords continue to change, whether across a temporal dimension, across teams, or in the industry at large. And this is where our worldview of cognitive ontology enters into the picture, which is what we are building, like a world model of organizational decision dynamics. So think of it this way, that there are three sort of states or dimensions on which the context exists today of any enterprise whatsoever, which is more along the lines of one being a data ontology. So think of it as bringing together your structured and unstructured data together. The second is domain ontology, which is more like how is this business working specifically. And the third aspect to it is the decision ontology. So typically you go anywhere, you are never quite able to see decisions as a first class object, which is something that in our worldview is now enabled. And then this is what essentially the world model looks like in practice, where you have the raw enterprise reality out there. You have a perception and materialization layer, which is all about ingesting all of this, forming those causal models that are necessary, figuring out what the agentic control loops would look like, figuring out how to give the team a more sense of, as you continue to use, as you continue to reason, as you continue to run agents across it, there is a self-learning loops that are in play, of which a sense of control is always with you. It's governed basis how your reality looks like versus always having to adjust basis whatever platform you're using. And then eventually you reach an end state where you are able to do multi-layered reasoning, deep layered reasoning on top. So not just what or how, which is more of the BI world where there are some 200 dashboards, but get more into the deeper whys, figure out if there are certain operational workflows that can just be made autonomous, because now you have this much clarity pouring in from your systems today.